qualifier.
Yeah, I hope you'll be there in Phil Sports Arena to support us, the Philippine men's team, when we are trying to take a spot in the upcoming World Championship that's going to be held in Sweden in Malmö. So for us, we're really proud to have the opportunity to be here in the Philippines. So hopefully we're gonna see you there, and if you're gonna be there, we're gonna give time for you and to get know to the sport and know us as well. Because as we mentioned before, I'm not one of the youngest one. I'm one of the oldest one. So I'm on my way out as a player, but hopefully I will be in some part in the team in the future. But we have the younger players that has the future in front of them. So we're looking forward to see you guys there.
But still one of the best, our team captain. Yes, Coach Noel, any additional invite?
Well, floorball, I have been in floorball for over 30 years, and I love the sport. And my big dream is to see you young players here in the Philippines play. So I'd like to meet everybody there in the arena for the tournament. Thank you.
Thank you, Coach, and all the best. And Rob, invite, and saan ang pagbili ng tickets para dito sa mga games, matches?
Yes, thank you. Maybe just to add, what Lucas and Noel mentioned, aside from, witnessing, watching floorball as an exciting, fun sport, getting to know these players. I mean, if you get to know their story, ibang klase, no? So actually, both of them, Lucas and Noel, they were obviously born here in the Philippines, pero at a very young age, actually both of them were adopted, no? Noel was like 2 weeks young, okay, and then Lucas as well at a very young age moved to Sweden, get to grow up there and then exposed to the sport, and then now they're really excelling, in the sport. So with that, with their story, we see that we can, do it again with the Filipinos, again, the talent. We I think just put all our effort naman, puso into what we do, growing the sport. And again, for them, I mean, these national team players, they're not, full-time professional players. They have their respective full-time work then. So they're really giving up a lot for, just to play for the country, to present the country. So yeah, it would be again nice to have everyone, especially our media friends, to be there at the Phil Sports Arena on May 21 to 25 for the Men's World Floorball Championship qualification for Asia Oceania. We're glad to have you and welcome you there.
More power to our Team Philippines and also to our organizing committee for the coming hosting ng World Qualifying. We'll be back for the second and final session here on PSA. Good morning, Coach.
May hawak siya, ninyo.